State Board Hair Color Retouch is a CosmoReady video production. The proctor will read the following instructions. You will perform a hair color retouch application. You will apply simulated hair color product to one section of the back of the head. The client has 1 inch of regrowth. You will be expected to follow all client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will have 10 minutes to complete this section. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. Step back to indicate you have finished. The instructions will be repeated. You may begin. Remember to sanitize as you step toward your client and proceed to set up your hair color retouch supplies. Your supply bag should be put in the trash when you are done setting up. As you get comfortable and ready to apply your product, if you have to move the mannequin, make sure that the chemical drape is intact before you start working. Here we're applying the protective cream, so use a spatula to remove the product from the container and then put that cover back on. And when you apply the protective cream, you do not need to wear gloves. It is not a chemical that requires gloves, so you don't need your gloves on while you're putting the protective cream on. Keep it on the skin area and off of the hair. You don't want any protective cream on the hair. Dispose of your spatula. Re-sanitize your hands. Now we're gonna get ready to put the product on, so make sure that sanitizer is worked in thoroughly before you go to put your gloves on. Now we're getting ready to put our product into our tint bowl. So if you're removing product from a container, again, you need a spatula. Make sure you replace the lid on your hair color when you're done. As you get ready to apply your color, remember you have 1 inch of regrowth that you're simulating, and you're gonna apply to the outside of your section. So outline the entire section that you're going to be coloring for this part of your exam. Now you'll apply to the whole panel. So take 1/4 inch subsections and apply your product to 1 inch of regrowth. Make sure the color product goes all the way down to the scalp. Hair color can be on the scalp. Chemical relaxer cannot be on the scalp. So for this, make sure that that product is all the way to the scalp. And continue working down your panel, applying product to the top and bottom of each little subsection. After you're done applying the color, go through and pull each little subsection down and check the scalp as you're going. Make sure that you have a thorough application of product. You may wish to take vertical parts to double check, but do not scrape the tail of your brush across the scalp when you're cross-checking. Dispose of your remaining product. Sanitize your hands and step back to indicate you have finished. Board Hair Color Retouch has been a CosmoReady video production.